I am going to teach you water availability and management. Global water distribution. The earth water is divided into two main categories, but only a teeny fraction is accessible for human use. 97% of water is saline water and not used for drinkable purpose. Only 3% of world water is fresh water. 70% is locked in glacier and ice caps. 30% is groundwater. Less than 1% is surface water, that is rivers and lakes. Surface water found on earth's surface in rivers, lakes, reservoirs and ponds. It is used for drinking, irrigation and power, but its availability varies by region and season. Groundwater stored underground in soil and rock layers. Underground layers that transmit water, that is called aquifers. Unconfined aquifers are near the surface and transmit easily, while confined aquifers are deeper and harder to transmit. Over extraction can lead to land subsidence and lower water tables. Challenges and sustainability. The major threats such as industrial pollution, climate change and uneven distribution leading to scarcity. To combat this, sustainable use is required through conservation and rainwater harvesting, technology like desalination, efficient irrigation to reduce agriculture waste. Thank you.